In this video, I will show you how to install TensorFlow Hub module in Python. In Google, type TensorFlow Hub. Click on the first link, TensorFlow Hub. And here you will see the command. You have to copy this pip install upgrade TensorFlow Hub. Copy this. Next, open command prompt. In Windows, type cmd. Just right click. Now press enter. This will install TensorFlow Hub on your system. It is already installed on my system. I'll close this. Next, we will check whether it has been installed or not. We will open one more command prompt. In Windows, type cmd. Then type Python. Now Python is open here. To check whether it has been installed or not, we will copy this command from here. Import TensorFlow Hub as hub. Let's copy this. Now come here and paste it here. Just right click. Press enter. Here you will see this message. It has been successfully imported. That means we have successfully installed Tensor Hub on our system. Let's also verify this on Jupyter Notebook. Copy this command, import TensorFlow Hub as hub. I've already opened one Jupyter Notebook. I'll come here. I'll paste it. Let's press enter. It has been successfully imported. Let's also try to run this code. This is an example. I'll copy this code from here and I'll paste it here. Let's execute our code. It is running. This is just an example from Tensor Hub, and you will get a warning here. You just have to ignore the warning. Here you got the output 4/28. That means we have successfully installed the TensorFlow Hub on our machine. This video was about how to install TensorFlow Hub on your Python. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.